that is, like the framework that we're looking at here, that we're dealing with. And the second thing is that I'm really wanting to sort of home in on this, is that by knowing what the community needs is in your location is so important. And the buyer, you're going to be looking at the buyer's perspective, so it's important to create a proposal from the buyer's perspective. And we cover this in our contracts bootcamp as well, and we went into this quite thoroughly about why this contract has come up, what is the purpose, who it's suited for, who it's going to help, what the cost is going to be to the government, and what the time frame needs to be, and what they're looking for from you, the supplier. So how long is it that you can actually apply for a particular contract? It may give you a deadline of, say, 1 month, or it may be that you can apply at any time because it's a dynamic purchasing system, which is, it's open for 4 years. You're not having to wait until the 4 years and then you've then got to then start applying. So maybe they could also possibly need more suppliers like yourself, so you can jump in and apply for a particular contract, for example. So have a look to see what meetings or consultations is going around at the moment that you can join in, that you're eligible for, that's going to really benefit your organization, so that you can get ahead of the game, ready for when this contract becomes available to you and on the open market. You'll be able to find these contracts on, for example, Contract Finder, Contract Tender Portal websites, where you can look for these opportunities and then download all of the documentation, as I've said before. And then from that point, you need to read through, really scrutinize it to see whether it's a good fit for you, whether you meet the evaluation criteria, and that you have all of the relevant compliance and insurance in place.